In today's video, I will teach you how to create cute recipe cards easily in PicMonkey. Let's get started. To create a recipe card in PicMonkey, you can either start from scratch or use a template. To start from scratch, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image option, and select Blank Canvas. This will open up PicMonkey's Canvas presets library, which contains a wide variety of canvas size presets for every social media and print. You can also input your custom width and height at the upper right corner of the panel if you have a specific size in mind. Then simply click the Make It button to open your canvas in the editor. But if you would like to start with a template to make designing easier for you, simply go back to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image option, and select Templates. This will open the Templates panel in the editor itself. PicMonkey has tons of template designs to choose from, but to narrow down your choices, feel free to type in the keyword recipe card on the search bar to find the perfect template for your design. And once you've found the right template for you, you can now click it and it will automatically appear on your canvas. Now, you can start customizing your template to your heart's content. To add text, go to the sidebar and open the Text tab. PicMonkey has Pro Fonts library filled with every font style that you can think of, from sans serif and handwriting to script and monospaced fonts. To customize the color palette of your template, simply select the graphics element that you wish to customize. Then go to the sidebar and select Change Color. Here, you can use the color picker option, or you can use the gradient option to add more spice to your design. To add graphics to your recipe card, go to the sidebar and select Graphics. This will open PicMonkey's extensive graphics library with completely free and customizable icons, illustrations, and shapes that are neatly categorized by style, so you can easily find what you're looking for. If you would like to find something more specific, you can simply type in the keyword on the search bar. Lastly, you can add textures to your recipe card to add an extra layer to your design. Simply go to the sidebar and select Textures. Here, you have hundreds of texture options to fill your background with. You can choose from color gradients to textiles, and from abstract textures to light trails. Now, just play around with your design until you're satisfied. And once you're done, you can now save the image to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.